Most AI voice tools promise the world and then hit you with a paywall. But there's one free option that's better than ElevenLabs and doesn't cost a dime. I'm walking you through Minimax Audio today and showing you how to produce voiceovers for a faceless YouTube channel, a motivational channel, and an ASMR channel. At the end, I'll talk you through how it stacks up against ElevenLabs so you know what you're working with. Signing up for Minimax Audio. Getting started with Minimax Audio is about as easy as it gets. You open your web browser and type in the Minimax Audio website address. When the page loads, you'll see the interface ready for you to get started with. Click on Sign In and then continue with your Google account. Once you're in, you'll be able to use everything. The first thing you notice is that you've already got 4,000 free credits waiting there. Those credits let you generate around 5 minutes of audio every day without paying anything, which is incredibly useful for trying it out or even finishing a short video. I like how they just give you the credits up front because it means you can start messing around with it right away. The dashboard is where you'll spend most of your time, and it's set up in a way that's not confusing at all. Text-to-speech. You'll see a few options on this menu on the left, and one of them is clearly marked text-to-speech. Click on that option to open it up. When it loads, you get a screen that has the main box in the center for you to write your text in and some options on the right. Here you can pick from a bunch of different voices. You've also got some controls to change how the voice sounds, like making it faster, higher, or louder. This layout feels natural to me because everything you need is right there in front of you. The voice selection part has a long list of choices, and you can click on them to hear what they sound like before you decide. This is the main feature we'll use, and it's all free with those credits you get every day, which is why I think it's worth spending time on. Creating a generic voiceover. Now let's put Minimax Audio to the test by creating a generic voice for a faceless YouTube automation channel. We're still on the text-to-speech page. Click here on Voice and let's filter through these options. I'll pick English for the language, US for the accent, male for the gender, and adult for the age. That cuts the list of voices that fit a typical faceless video like a tutorial or a list of tips. Click on the play button to listen to the voice sample before picking one. I like Reserved Young Man. Its tone is calm and clear, which makes it good for explaining things without losing anyone. Once you've made your choice, click the Use button next to it to select it. Move over to the text box in the middle of the screen. Type in a simple line like, "To hear my awesome voice," finish typing and click on Generate Speech below. Before you make the audio, check the settings on the right side. Find the control for speed and slide it up just a little to 1.2, which makes it a bit quicker but still easy to follow. Don't touch pitch or volume yet, since they're fine where they are out of the box. Click the Generate button. After a moment, you'll hear the voice. If that sounds good to you, click on Download to save the audio file to your computer. This voice is quite generic and works well for tutorials or informational types of videos. Creating a motivational voiceover. Now let's create a voice for a motivational YouTube channel. This is a different challenge because it needs to feel strong and uplifting. You want a voice that grabs attention and makes people feel motivated to keep going. Head back to the text-to-speech section from the dashboard. In the voice selection area, let's stick with the same filters and have a listen to the bossy leader voice. I can see this working well for a motivational channel. It's a little direct and harsh, which is great for pushing people to get up and take action. Click Use to lock that one in. Go to the text box and let's type in something that's a bit longer. Before you generate it, adjust the settings to get the right feel. Look for a section called Voice Modifier and move the strength control down a small amount to around -2 to give it more power in the delivery. Keep the speed setting at 1. Lower the pitch control just a little to -3 to make it sound deeper, and keep the volume at 1 so it's still strong. Click Generate and listen to how it comes out. If it feels too nasal or sharp, go back to the settings, tweak anything like nasal or crispness down, and generate it again. When it's exactly how you want it, click Download to save it. This voice is great for motivational content because it carries that sense of purpose, and you're still using the free credits to make it happen. Creating an ASMR voiceover. Now we need a voiceover that creates a relaxing experience for viewers. ASMR needs a voice that's soft and gentle, something that calms people down. In the voice selection area, change the gender to female and pick young adult for the age. I like this voice whispering girl. It's quiet and light, which is just right for ASMR videos that help people unwind. Click Use to pick it. In the box, type in some text like this. Now adjust the settings to match that soothing mood. Lower the volume control to 0.8 so it's soft, like a whisper close by. In the voice modifier area, lighten the voice a tiny bit to keep it airy, then soften it some more to take away any edge. Click Generate and have a listen. If it's too quiet or faint, go back. Reduce the softening a little, and try generating it again until it feels natural. When you've got it right, click Download. Add this to your video with something relaxing, like an AI avatar in a cozy setting, and it's perfect for ASMR, all done with the free tier. Finalizing and scaling. Once you've got your favorite voice tested and saved, it's time to think about how you're going to use your voice from now on. Look at your dashboard to check those 4,000 daily credits, which give you about 5 minutes of audio each day. That's enough for small videos, and if you log in every day to generate a small section of your video, that can work. There's also a $5 plan with 100,000 credits a month if you ever need more, but the free option works fine for now. Minimax Audio versus ElevenLabs. I use ElevenLabs all the time, and it's been tough to find something that produces similar quality for free. With Minimax, you get 4,000 credits every day for free, which is about 5 minutes of audio, and you can even make up to 3 voice clones without paying extra if you try that feature. ElevenLabs gives you 10,000 characters a month on its free plan, around 10 minutes of audio, but you can't use it for anything you sell, and cloning isn't free. Minimax has a good range of voices you can change with speed, pitch, and strength settings, and they sound solid once you get them tuned. ElevenLabs offers over 1,200 voices in 29 languages, and they're super realistic right from the start without much fiddling. Minimax feels easier to use because the interface is simple and gets you going fast. ElevenLabs is easy too, but it's got more controls that can feel like a lot if you're new to it. For what you can do, Minimax covers faceless channels, ASMR, and motivational videos well with its free credits. ElevenLabs is better for professional voiceovers, audiobooks, or videos in different languages, but you'll need to pay for the right quality and number of characters for those kinds of tasks. In the end, Minimax is the practical free choice for decent voices quickly. ElevenLabs is the more premium option if you've got money to spend. I recommend trying the free plans for both and seeing for yourself what works best for your project. Are there any other AI voice generators that you think could replace ElevenLabs? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons while you're there.